All right, gorgeous. So we're ready to wash the car. Well, I call it a car, but it's a truck. You can see what a mess the birds did the other day that I parked in a nice shade. And I kind of knew it. I say, don't, but I still did. Either way, I'm gonna put my phone all the way over there. It's gonna be far because I don't want it to get wet. And on top of that, it's shady. Here, there's shade, okay? I believe you'll see me very nice. You're not gonna miss anything. I want to show you what I'm doing here. I'm still in pain because of the squats. So look at all that. Ooh, horrible. Look over there. So right now, I just put the tire cleaner. I thought it was the best thing to start. And now I'm just gonna hose it off real fast before I ran out of time. I only got all right, gorgeous. This is Estrada. Okay, so I want to show you what I did, and there was a problem at the beginning because I haven't done this in a while, and I was trying to do the right thing. So I used the tire cleaner thingy here, and then I used a little bit of engine cleaner to get that acid out of the poop. And then of course I needed to do the clear coat or rinse it, but I was thinking of rinsing, and when I put rinse it was no pressure at all, so this thing false advertised me. Okay, but either way, I started changing the knobs. I got the clear coat, and bang, I was able to get it off. So it looks different already. What do you think, gorgeouses? Yes? Hopefully it looks good. Okay? Huh? It looks good. And really fast, I'm going to just use the, how is it up there? Can you see it up there? Okay. So I'm going to use the, let me see what you call this. The foam brush. That's gonna be very nice. Okay? Let me see if I have enough money though. Because I think I have, yeah, I have enough. I have $2 for the foam brush. And then, let me see how much I have here. Yeah, I have enough quarters for $2 more. We're gonna set it up differently though. And then when it's time to rinse, I'm gonna go back over there. So let's see if we could set this up over here. I have somebody helping me with the recording. My wonderful daughter-in-law. Situation. it's a good thing to do to your car, so you keep the paint nice. Again, those birds, when they chew on it, it's always going to leave this horrible acid on your paint. Si quiere cut, ¿ya me tiene?
Sí.
So again, everyone, if you could see a fat, morbidly obese man do their own thing through the whole day, and you have the will, and you want to do it, you can do it. There's no reason to say that you can't. I might even go to, oh my God. I might even go to the gym later on, because I'm feeling very well. I mean, you saw me how I'm walking. It still hurts. You saw me running from over there to over here, and of course is the squats. They're still hurting. I'm not gonna go to the tires yet. I brought something different for that. The only thing I don't like is this thing banging on the poor truck all the time. Wow. Maybe if I wrap it up around my neck, that means I got 1 more minute. So I'll leave you alone, gorgeouses. Go and make it a good day, and hopefully you took your Carnivore pill today. What's up? Okay. Yes, and all right, let's rinse this puppy off. Woo! Oh, wow. That was awesome, gorgeouses. I think it looked pretty nice. Huh? Yeah, I think so. Better than before. What do you think? Go ahead, put me in the comments what I forgot to do. Anyway, this is Estrada. Oh. This is Estrada. I'm out. Love you, gorgeouses. Have yourself a fantastic carnivore day. Why am I screaming? And also, have yourself a blessed one. Take care of each other. Okay, this is Estrada. I'm out. I don't know what else to say. Woo, just laugh about life. Laugh, 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 laugh.
So am I to understand that how long the treasure continues to
Yes. Perhaps if we had pursued it sooner, more aggressively.
you dare to blame me?
Dude, the reason why I'm going is I just want to find
Hey, what's going on?
That's like the flower. It's been like that.
It's okay, don't worry.
It got on fire too. It got on fire.
Okay.
And the height of the flowers low.
Go.
Swallowed fire. What for real? Papa, did you swallow the fire for real?
Yes.
Oh my! Told ya. Let me put this in the food. Those are so good. Oh my god! Oh my god! I was gonna eat that part. Dang.
You want to eat this part?
Now it's this part. Hey, I was gonna eat that part.
Oh, sorry, ho.
I got two, right? I got two. The boo-boo. One right here. To what? See? To what? One right here and one right here. Yeah. One right here. One there. One there. Smelly face. I'm the king of smelly. What about that part?
Gonna eat everything.
Hey, you think that's safe in the dorm like that?
It's got some butter here.
Butter for your butt.
What do you mean? Can you clarify?
I found this.
The butter thingy.
Yeah, now we have butter.
Yeah.
Get out of there. The butter thingy. Nothing's in it. Well, now the butter could be in. I know the butter, right? You can show. If you need to use it, just poop on it. You don't need any. You're still gonna use it.
Yeah, we're gonna use it. I'm not gonna eat the whole butter.
Like
Ow.
you ate the whole butter again.
So you guys are back to school?
Like, and some days we don't go to school, and some days we do go to school.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
You like the meat?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I got science and math teachers. Two teachers. And I got two teachers. And
Two teachers.
I went to the painting rooms.
Let me close.
And there was some Play-Doh. What? The ice cream. And there was Play-Doh. We need the appetite. Oh. Oh, what? Chicken butts. Papa?
Do you like the school?
And Papa's going to turn this. Watch. Miss Calypso.
Miss Calypso?
No, Miss Cola.
Miss Coca-Cola? Miss Macola. What about your teacher?
Miss Bash.
Miss Batch.
Yes. He said Italy.
Coma bonito.
You put my water on. Snowy wet poo.
No, you didn't say that.
Papa, I tried in a video.
Yes, we're making a video. We don't say those things.
In a video, you do. No. Eat the butter with salt. He's eating the cheese. The butter can be like cheese.
Now, the butter is a dairy product.
The fattest product.
It's one of the fattest product, yes.
How did you know? I just said it out.
No, we just say it out.
Say it out?
It's because you probably heard it. You're smart.
I have not
Go
heard
ahead.
it. I have not
Shoot
heard it.
very nice.
I have
Don't
not.
shoot loud. There you go.
They got just one more left. One butter. Look, Papa. One more.
Oh, one more piece of meat? Awesome.
2 more pieces of meat.
Very good.
Or 100 pieces.
Very good.
Or 50,000 pieces of meat.
Very good.
What about 50,100 ice cream?
Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
2 spoons.
Right. You want me to ice cream? Ice cream. That means ice cream, right? Is that what you're saying?
No.
You scream?
No.
You scream. Ice cream.
The meat scream.
The meat scream.
Yes, scream.
Ice cream? Do you have your carnivore pill today? It's delicious.
Why did you scream?
Because Sebastian said ice cream.
No, it's a cone and it's an ice cream. So it's a cone and an ice cream. So it's ice cream with a cone.
Oh, that ice cream.
You didn't know. You thought it was ice cream.
I forgot. I thought you were saying to ice cream. Do you want me to to scream?
Like, ah!
Yes. Exactly, Jojo.
I'm just eating the little ones, okay, Papa?
Señor.
And then I'm gonna get my snack. The one that's
Okay.
the one that's Max said is my cereal. And
It's a big piece of steak of a snack. Esto es lo que te va a hacer fuerte. Okay? El cereal no es bueno. Cereal is not good.
I'll get ice cream.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got all the fat, okay? Leave the tiny tip. Dale, pura carne. Cierra la boquita, mi amor.
I always forget.
That's why you're with Grandpa. So Grandpa reminds you. Eat like a superstar. Very nice.
Still fat.
Silencio. Let me see. Up. One more. Everything else is.
Now this one is fat.
Oh, cómetela. Tough it out. Tough it out.
It's fat.
Tough it out. Cómasela.
The best way to eat is meat.
The best way to eat is meat. De la boca, José Manuel.
Are you done?
Dame eso, hijo, por favor.
Where's my ice cream?
Okay. Ahorita no tienen TV because your dad is using the Fire Stick here, okay? José Manuel, cierra esa puerta, por favor. Otra vez. Gracias. Ok, estoy grabando de nuevo.
Don't go away, babes.
Okay, remember, don't chew this or play with this. I mean, you could play with this, but don't chew it or don't put it in your mouth, okay?
But don't swallow it.
Yes, don't swallow it either.
And then that's more dangerous. And then
That's more dangerous, yes.
And then like choke.
Mm-hmm.
Then you die. Have to hit you in the stomach.
Eneles,
And
¿quieres
then-
estar conmigo? ¿Quieres estar con tu abuelo? Ah, ¿estás viendo alguna?
He's
You're watching some
he's
how to
watching-
brush your teeth?
Yes. He's
That's
watching,
nice.
He's watching Cuckoo Puff.
Mhm.
Come
Ay, ahí está usted, ¿verdad? You were there with Grandpa.
Even Sebas.
Sebas is there too?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Hi.
¿Dónde?
I'm just right here. And I'm right here.
Oh, you're right there.
I have a Mario shirt. Well, it's Sebas's.
Oh, wow.
It used to be mine. Now it's not. It's still yours, but ow. It won't fit me. Because Mommy said it's Sebas's. Well, you could use it because it was saying. I don't know what the ice cream is.
Oh, throw it away. Throw it away.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Do you want a piece of meat? Come on.
She doesn't
Poquito?
like meat. She likes sweets. She only likes anything that is not meat.
No, Eneles, she just ate chicken, okay? The same chicken that you guys ate.
Yeah,
So chicken is meat.
yeah. You said she didn't eat meat. Well, she did, right, Papa? She
Mhm.
doesn't eat the chicken from McDonald's. She does not like to eat it. McDonald's no. Papa. Papa. I need more. Papa. Papa, I need more. Bebe.
Oh,
No.
so mommy, to help you? Oh. Sebas, are you able to get a bottle of water
What was
over there by the entrance?
it? By what?
I know I have the best Kangen water, but again, I don't want to. Or just ask, Sebas, ask your mom. Aquí está la agüita. Thank you. So I get a little piece. I dunk it here. This is a little bit of broth with some heavy whipped cream. No whip, it's just heavy cream. I don't even know why I say whip. I never even liked that. A little piece, butter, a little bit of salt. Delicious. And then we repeat the process. It's been a wonderful day today. We did great. We did wonderful. My grandsons are here. That's why you hear all the noise and nonsense and shenanigans. Jojo, close the door, please. Thank you. Your water?
Yes.
Right here, isn't it?
Yeah. I can't reach it.
You cannot reach it from there, but if you walk over here, you can get it. Really?
Now I can.
Okay, now you can. Awesome. So again, it was nicely getting soaked in this fat. I put a little more salt, a little piece of butter.
Ew. Butter, look what Papa has for the meat. What? Dad.
Try again, Sebas.
Yeah, okay. Let me try. That's electric too. This is my electric. Okay, this is so because there are two, right? There's two, right? There's two.
What is that? Whoa, it's amazing. A little bit more. I put some heavy whipping cream right here at the chuck on top of the butter. Man, that is going to be really amazing. I'll let you know how it tastes. Any type of meat that you slow cook, at the end you could see how soft and tender it is. Put the whipping cream with butter on top of it with the taste of salt that you wish, and it's amazing. So if you're doing this type of recipe, put it in the comments. Love you, gorgeouses. Thank you for all my new subscribers.